Word number 89. Moreuda. Moreuda. This is pronounced as a 3-syllable word. The first syllable is mo, the second syllable is ru, the third syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. Moreuda. The word moreuda is considered a root verb, and this is considered the action of not knowing. How do we spell moreuda in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the Hangul for the syllable mo, we need to draw first a miyum character followed by an o character. Next, to be able to write the second syllable ru in Hangul, we need to draw first a real character followed by the u character. And lastly, for the third syllable, we need to draw first a dikot character followed by an a character to write the syllable da in Hangul. And once we're done writing the Hangul for each of the syllables, we can now combine it to form the Hangul of the word moreuda. And with that, you've just learned moreuda. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 79 to 88. But don't forget our word for today, word number 89, moreuda. This is a root verb, which means not to know. Word number 88 is way, and this is used to ask why. Word number 87 is 축하합니다, and this is a formal way of saying congratulations. Word number 86 is 어떻게, and this is used to ask how or to ask about the manner of doing something. Word number 85 is 어떻게, and this is used to express what to do. Word number 84 is 어디, and this is used to ask where. Word number 83 is 아까. This is an adverb of time, which means a while ago today. Word number 82 is 지금. This is an adverb of time, which means now. Word number 81 is 어제. This is an adverb of time, which means yesterday. Word number 80 is 내일. This is an adverb of time, which means tomorrow. And the last for our review is word number 79, 오늘. This is an adverb of time, which means today. 축하합니다. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.